Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Realist Adventures. Today I'm out here with SeabreezeFnq fishing charters. We're here sitting on a massive school of threadfin salmon. Barra season's closed, so we're not targeting Barra, targeting salmon. We're here with the fish guru Aaron and Molly up the front. We're gonna smash for you, so stay tuned. Look at the fish we got stacked up here. Threadies, just all threadies. Ooh, bump. So all the threadies just seem to be stacked up along everywhere. Yeah. Oh, all along the bank here. Well, I need to get in. Bugger this. What do you got on?
Missed the shimmer. Still missed. Yeah, get him on that vibe. Should be walking vibey, man. Shit.
Oh, little gay one.
Yeah,
Not a...
so weird.
I think I got a little flying out. There you go. He's a big dog. They're quick, eh? Probably one we got, eh? Come in now. Barra? I was just about to say it's gone quiet, but Aaron's just got onto another thready here. But we're gonna eat a thready for lunch, so got one down the back here. I'm gonna cook up. He's about, I don't know, 70 centimeters. Gonna slab him up, put him in the esky, and then we're gonna have a bit of lunch later after they really quieten off. Prime looking meat on him, Bob.
Why do you want to fill that door? Is that what you're trying to do?
Woo! That'll be a sick slow-mo. Don't flick your feet. So about 5 big threadies been caught since I've been filleting that one, so I've got to get back into it. What do you, you've been catching them on the Berkeley shimmer, and I've got the Samaki Vibalicious on. You can find all these at the lure shop. Not a bad thready. It's about the average size I've caught today, and they're like near on scraping a metre long every time. Sick fishing. So we just poked up this creek a bit. There's not much life and we've got a few caddies, so we're actually going to head back out to the front of the mouth, see if we can find a few more fish out there and have a go. Well, as we're getting out here, there's a lot of fish starting to stack up on the sand. I'll just give you a little look. All the way back down here, just back along this edge here. So we're just going to pull up, see where the most fish is, throw the vibes and the shimmers out, see if we can get a few. Ready school there. No.
Just pull it up, Molly, and then...
Ooh, something's coming.
Touch that braid.
Chill out, Mr. Fred.
What are you doing?
It's ready to tuck in the side of him. Oh, there you go. Up. How did that stay on, eh? He just played out there like a bit of a puppy dog.
Yeah.
Come here, puppy. Oh, money. It's not what we want. But it is. I'm a good kingy.
What a decent one you got.
Me?
Mm.
Oh,
Same son.
buddy's hooked a bit of shit. Nah, he's actually another little kingy. Ooh, it's a good one. Fish? Double kingy. That's me on the action. Where was that bar? Where was them thready sitting?
All in this pocket, yeah.
Molly's onto another one. Close. We've just been fishing along these flats here. Threadies are going quiet as now, so we're actually going to boost up the river a bit, find a big deep snag, and hopefully find a big dewy on it. Get him out of there.
Got him.
Do ya?
Yep.
Woo!
Just get them lip grips ready. He's a fucking eatery.
Oh, Jewy! Jewy! That's still cool as.
I don't want it, Dewey.
You done well to get him out. He's a big fish. Got you. Ready?
Yeah.
On the back deck there. Yep. Big Jewy dog. Hey, bloody oath! Woo!
I want to get the snake.
Feels heavy. Probably a Jewy.
Hey?
Probably a Jewy.
Hopefully not.
It's taken.
He's swimming a bit too quick for a Dewey, but
Reckon?
he is travelling, so.
Oh, don't fall off you.
Come up. Come on.
Feel like it's coming up. Kind of fighting like a Barra, eh? Not going to say anything too soon, but
Hopefully if we can follow it, we might snag.
oh, look at the biggest adrenaline rush, eh? Yeah, for the Jewy, I'll still go off.
You might want to
Swing him around.
just out of gear, just hopefully he doesn't go to the bank. There's not that much timber, only the timber beside the boat.
Oh, he wants to look like he wants to go to the bank. Hey, you big.
No way, he's you
What?
usually give up by now.
Fighting really hard, eh?
You will get your bigger Barra still with your Jewies. He's good, mate. That's fine if he's running that way. I'd rather him run that way.
Ooh.
He's got bigger. Don't thumb him too hard.
I reckon.
Nah, I reckon you still.
Don't know where he's hooked with that vibe, eh?
Safe. Yeah, you go with that vibe with the stress before. When you make ground, you go pretty hard on him. I just don't put that thumb down when he turns.
Yep. Kill wreck feeling.
Yeah, he's done a few things that could mean he's a Barra, but
How's that? That's Dewey, eh? Or what? That.
could be. But Barras do it. But Barras usually do the big paddle tail, like the kick or the sort of glide, the big one.
Oh, you big dog.
Got the bank there.
Hey?
He's got a bank on him. Is that good? Oh no, you don't know.
No. Come out, yeah. Here he is. Joey, dog. Him again, I'll get a photo with the big mother. Why do you seem to go a lot harder?
He's bigger.
Is it?
Yeah.
Woo! Big Dewey dog! Big Dewey, thought it was a big barrel, but let me down. Straight back in. You meant to swim them?
No.
Well guys, that ends our whole episode there. I had the best fishing trip. Threadies galore, big Dewies. It was absolutely insane. I frothed it. The barras were unbelievable and we had to keep driving away from them. So I couldn't film as much as I wanted in this episode because it was all Aaron's spots, and I totally agree with it. He's spent years and years finding the fish and working them out, and just for me to come film and give it all away to everyone in the world is the thing. But if you guys want to book a charter with Aaron and Molly into next year, they're going to be taking bookings. FNQ Seabreeze, I'll chuck their Instagram, they're on Facebook, hit them up, it is well worth it. And thank you guys so much for all the support. You've been funding a lot of our fishing trips lately. Suzuki's, GoPros, cameras, drones, like it's unreal the support you guys are giving us. So thanks again. Catch us on the next one.